Hi everyone, it's Femelani here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do demo trading on the Bitget app. Now, in case you don't know, I already made a video on how you can do futures trading on the Bitget app, where I explained everything you need to know about the futures trading on Bitget, how to enter a trade, how to take profit, how to set your take profit and stop loss. I explained leverage, I explained liquidation, I explained cross margin, isolated margin, I explained everything in that video. If you have not seen that video, the link to that video will be in the description below. But in this video, I'll be explaining how you can do demo trading. Now, in case you don't know what demo trading is, it's a type of trading where you can practice your strategies, but you are not trading with your money. So Bitget will give you an amount of money to use to trade that you can use to practice your strategies. So instead of you risking your money to practice strategies that you don't know whether it will work or not, you can just use the demo trading page on Bitget. It is simple and straightforward. Just make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important information. Before I go into all of that, if you are new here, please kindly subscribe and like this video. I'm Femelani. I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on crypto, personal finance, and how to make money online. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now, straight to the point, how to do demo trading on Bitget. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to the futures trading page. So at the bottom side of the screen where you have the menu, just click on futures right there, and then it will take you to the futures trading page. Now on the screen right here, you see where you have three dots where the arrow is pointing to. Just click on it. Now once you click on it, you see where you have demo trading. You can see where the arrow is pointing to where it says demo trading. Click on it right there. So once you click on it, it will bring you right here to the demo trading page. Now, how do you know that you're in demo trading page? You see it right here where it says USDTM demo right here. So this is the demo trading page. Now, once you get here, the first thing is to pick the trading pair you want to use to practice. So you can see where you have SBTC, SUSDT. It's just like BTC USDT, but they just add the S right there so that you can just know it's demo. So you have SBTC and SUSDT. So just click on the drop down arrow beside it. So if I click on it, it will bring out the different trading pairs that I can use to practice. So for this demo trading on Bitget, you have only 4 trading pairs for USDTM demo. So if you are trading with USDT, or if you want to practice with USDT, you have just 4 trading pairs. You have the BTC USDT, you have the ETH USDT, and then you have the EOS USDT, and lastly, the XRP USDT. So those are the 4 different trading pairs you can use to practice with the demo trading on Bitget. And if you are trading with USDC, that's when you come to this USDC futures demo. For this, you have just 2 trading pairs, and that's BTC and ETH. And if you are trading with a coin, you have just 5 different trading pairs. But mostly people use USDT, and that's what I always use. So I will just stick to this USDTM demo. So again, we have 4 trading pairs. So let's say, for example, you want to use the BTC USDT. Just click on it right here. Now, once you pick your trading pair, the next thing is to set your parameters and trade. I'll show you how to. But before I show you how to set your parameters, I'm very sure most of you will want to know how much Bitget is giving you to practice your strategies or for demo trading. Now, Bitget is giving $3,000 for you to practice your strategies. $3,000 for you to trade. That's the amount they are giving out to you in your wallet. So if you want to see it, this is it right here. You can see where it says available. You can see 3,000 SUSDT. That's the amount they are giving out to you to trade. So once you've seen that, let's go ahead and set our parameters. So let's say, for example, you have a strategy you have practiced and you want to enter the trade. Just come right here. The first thing is to pick your margin. So if you click right here, you have isolated margin and you have cross margin. So whichever one you want to pick right here, you go ahead and pick. And in case you don't know the differences between the two, I already have a video on that. I'll put the link to that video in the description below. In that video, I explained in detail the differences between cross margin and isolated margin, and I also advised on which one you can pick. So if you have not watched that video, the link will be in the description below. But mostly in my videos, I always advise people to go with isolated. So I'll pick isolated right there. The next thing is to pick your leverage. So to pick your leverage, click on where you have 10x right here, and you can pick your leverage right here. Now, to learn how to use leverage, I also have a video where I talked about how to use leverage to make more money for yourself. In that video, I explained everything you need to know about leverage, and I also advised on the best leverage to pick for beginners. So make sure you watch that video also. The link will be in the description below. Now, all of these videos, please make sure you watch them so you can understand these things. I also explained it in my futures trading tutorial on Bitget. The link to that video will also be in the description below. Because the reason I don't want to explain all of this right here is because I don't want this video to be too long. It's just a demo trading tutorial, so I just want to be straight to the point. I don't want to waste too much of your time. So right here, I'll just leave it at 10x leverage and click on confirm. So once you've picked your leverage, the next thing is to pick your order type. So for this, I'll leave it as market. So market means I want to enter the trade instantly. That's the meaning. So I want to enter the trade immediately. And then the cost right here is to put in the amount you want to drop from your wallet. So let's say from the $3,000 they're giving you, let's say you want to trade with, let's say $500. Just put $500 right there. So once you put $500 right there, you can see where you have TP/SL. You can put in your take profit and your stop loss. You know we are trading BTC, so the current price of BTC is $57,000. So let's say I want my take profit to be, let's say $58,000. And then I want my stop loss to be, let's say $56,500. So that's my take profit and that's my stop loss. You will see it right here where it says estimated liquidation price. So liquidation price, if you are longing, is $51,566. In case you don't know what liquidation price is the price at which you lose your money. So if the trade enters liquidation price, you lose all your money. That's if you don't have stop loss in place. But since we have stop loss in place, we won't have to bother about liquidation. And then if you are shorting, your liquidation price is 62,462 USDT. So once you've set all of that, you click on buy or long. So I'll just click it right there. And then at this point, you're saying after you place an order, TP/SL orders will be placed based on the actual amount field. Canceling the order will automatically cancel your any preset TP or SL orders. What this means is that if you enter the trade right now, your take profit or stop loss will be calculated based on the price you enter the trade. And also, if you cancel the trade at any time, your take profit and stop loss will also be cancelled. So you should know all this already. So just click on OK right here. And then to bring all the details of your trade right here, the current price, to bring out the quantity you are trading, the margin mode, the liquidation price, take profit and stop loss, everything will be right here. So make sure you confirm that everything is correct. So once you've confirmed that, just click on confirm at the bottom side of the screen. And then under positions right here, you will see your trade. So this is the trade we are currently taking. Now, don't forget, this is demo trading. It is not your money you're using to trade. So they are giving you money to trade. So take note of that. What I just focused on in demo trading is to practice your strategies. That's what I always advise people to do. If you have a strategy that you want to practice and you don't know whether it will work or not, you can use demo trading to practice it. So this is how you can do it on Bitget. Now, you might want to ask me that what of the profit I'm making? Now, for the profit you are making here, you can't withdraw it. It is not your profit at all. The profit will only add up to the amount in your demo wallet. I hope you understand. So let's say, for example, from this trade, I make, let's say, $100. So that $100 will add up to the $3,000 in my wallet before. So that means I will be having $3,100. That's the meaning. But I cannot withdraw it. So you have to take note of that. So it's not as if maybe you will trade and you will withdraw the profit. No. It is only for you to practice. If you want to take profit, go to the live trading page, use your money and take your profit. I hope you understand. Now, if you want to see your take profit and stop loss orders, just come right here to where you have orders right here. You see it right here. So the first one right here is your stop loss, and then the second one right here is your take profit. So you see it right here. You can see where it says trigger price less than or equal to 56,500. That's our stop loss. So if we should enter that price, we will lose a little percentage of our money. And then you can see the take profit right here where it says trigger price greater than or equal to $58,000. Then we enter $58,000, we take our profit. That's just it. So that's where you can see your take profit and your stop loss. Now, another thing that you can do with demo trading, you can also do it with live trading, but you can also do it with demo trading, is that you can reverse your trade. So as I've entered the long position right here, let's say I go to the trading page or to my chart, and then I see that, oh, this thing is about to go down. The price of the crypto is going down, and I want to quickly reverse it. I'll just click on reverse right here. So if you click on reverse right here, it means that you want to change this long position trade. You want to change it to a short position trade. So your trade will be reversed to take a short position. So once you click on confirm right here, I'll click on confirm. That means that we are now shorting right here. So it's just as if I change it from long position and I'm shorting right here. That's just the meaning. So your liquidation price will be changed right here. And another thing you need to take note of is that once you reverse your trade, you need to set your take profit and your stop loss again. So if you go under orders, you see that you don't have anything right here because that's been cancelled. So just come right here, click on TP/SL. Once you get there, enter your take profit and your stop loss. So for your take profit, let's say I want to make, let's say 50% profit. I'll just slide this to 50%. Make sure it's on 50 right there. So that's my take profit will be $54,174. And then for my stop loss, let's say I want to lose, let's say 20% of my money. That's my stop loss will be $58,239. If you are okay with that, just click on confirm. And then to show you all of the details right here, so you can just confirm everything is correct. If it's correct, click on confirm again. You can see successful. So if you go under orders right here, you will see your take profit and your stop loss right here. So this is how you can do demo trading. And let's say, for example, you want to cancel the trade, just click on close right here. See where you have close, just click on close. And then if you want to close it immediately, make sure that this is on market price and make sure that this is on 100%. So once you want to close it, just click on confirm right here. So I'll click on confirm and click on confirm again. So you can see successful. So I already closed the trade. So this is how you can do the demo trading on the Bitget app. Now, if you want to go back to the live trading page where you can use your money, it's simple. Just come right here to where you have back to live. So once I click on back to live right there, you take me to the live trading page where I can use my own money. So in case you've not watched my futures trading tutorial on Bitget where I explained everything, the link to that video will be in the description below. And if you want to learn how to withdraw your money, so let's say you've traded and then you use your money and you took profit and you want to withdraw it to your bank account, I have a video on that also. The link to that video will be in the description below. So thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.